Welcome to day 4 of how to attach a balloon garland. This is going to be a wall installation and I'm using Gaffer's tape. You can get this from Amazon for $16.99. I'm going to be using 5 pieces and a 260. Put the tape in the middle of the 260. After that, you are going to tie a knot in the middle 2 times. Then you're going to tie a knot at the very end to make a hole. Okay? Just like that. Now you grab another piece of tape and you're going to put it very close to the 260s on either side. Grab an additional piece of tape and put it at the end of that row and on the other side. This is going to make a secure area for you to put your balloons in. Get that part and pop your balloons inside. And this is very strong. It will not come away from the wall. Look at this. Check it out again. Let me know if you guys try this. Let me know what you think of this technique.